Oh my God.
Ooh, is that yummy?
Is that our first cake? Or
Yeah, she's never had it before. This is the first time. Dad! You're gonna see her.
She's just bailing this cake in her mouth.
You need a shovel?
She just took it by like fistfuls. Good stuff, huh? Other hand. Oh yeah.
Good, yeah.
Oh yeah.
She's very vocal.
She does that every time she eats.
Really?
Yep. She always does that.
She sings too. I'm like, if you can't give me cake, I'm gonna steal hers.
you can throw it back in our diaper bag.
No.
Yeah.
It's good stuff, huh? It's so funny. Every birthday party I've ever been to, I've never seen like a kid just dive right in like that.
Mine actually did.
I know. And I went to one like last weekend and she didn't. They had to like force her. She started crying when they tried to force her to eat.
Thank God you're watching the sugar on your diet.
Hey, this is the first time she's ever had anything like this.
I'm just.
Obviously not the last. She likes
Obviously.
Sorry.
If you didn't like it, I'd be worried.
My kids hate it.
I'd be worried who you came from.
I don't know where my kids came from.
There's no crying in baseball or birthday parties.
Mine.
I know, me too.
She's actually in a trance right now.
Yeah.
A little bit.
Oh,
This is so good, man.
Heaven.